Well, YouTubers, in this video you are going to see very beautiful models.
Yay!
There's going to be a bit of humour and comedy.
Z6 Mark II, why is
A few bloopers, faults and errors, and you will also get to see what can be achieved in terms of 4K video from a group of iPhones, 3 in total, that are a few years old. That are available on the second-hand market, quite a bit lower priced than the latest and greatest iPhones. So sit back and enjoy.
Hello and welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel.
I know that a number of you record a considerable amount of your YouTube material, if not in some cases all of your YouTube material, on an iPhone. And the iPhone is certainly a terrific bit of equipment for recording video. But the thing is, the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max is more than $1,000 US. More than 1,000 UK pounds. More than 1,000 euros and almost 2,000 Australian dollars. So what if you had an iPhone that was a number of years old that you bought a few years ago, or maybe you recently bought a used iPhone? What can you achieve with these older iPhones? In this case, using the selfie camera of the iPhone 11 Pro, or in this case, using the main front-facing camera of the iPhone SE 2020. Well, in the case of both of these cameras, we have shot in 4K, and the thing is, the other camera that I am going to compare these against is the iPhone 6s Plus, whose main front-facing camera can also shoot in 4K. So, let's see what these iPhones can produce.
Hi there, I'm Lottie Rose.
Hey, I'm Jessie.
And I'm Bianca J. And this is a review for the Nikon D700.
Thank you.
Yay! I was going to say camera at the end.
Yeah.
It's actually really.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lottie,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and this is a review of the Nikon Z6 Mark II. Why is
Hello and welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lottie,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and this is a review of the Nikon Z6 Mark II.
Will these three lovely ladies finally get their lines right? Well, stay to the end to find out.
Hello and welcome to the Dennis Bloodnok Channel.
What, I can't even remember what it's called.
Okay, it's
Z6 Mark II.
Z6 Mark II.
Nikon Z6 Mark II.
Yeah.
This is like a code I've got to remember.
Yeah. Are you ready, ladies?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lottie,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and this is a review of the Nikon Z6 Mark II.
the 4K video, the outdoor location 4K video, was shot in the beautiful town of Leamington Spa, and in particular the beautiful Jeffson Gardens in the centre of Leamington Spa.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lottie,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and this is a review of the Nikon Z6 Mark II. I went wobble. Just say no more.
Can't remember. Go.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Lottie,
Hi, I'm Lisa.
and this is a review of the Nikon Z6 Mark II.
Well, YouTubers, I think that we can say that the video capabilities of the iPhone 6s Plus, the iPhone 2020 SE and the iPhone 11 Pro are all pretty amazing. And I have to admit, I am very happy with what I was able to achieve with these three phones. And if you decide to purchase one of these particular iPhones and you like to shoot 4K video, well, I think you'll be very happy with the results. Anyway, many thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and Dennis Bloodnok will return in the next video. Thank you.